Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular walking and exercise app that says that they will pay you money for walking and running, and it's called Sweatcoin, okay? So if you're at Sweatcoin, this is what it looks like. We're going to be reviewing it today to see if it's worth your time. Can you really make money just by walking and running just with the app on, or is this just a waste of time? Because there's so many different ways to make money on these days, right? So let's take a look at Sweatcoin, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, all you need is your computer and internet connection. Just click on the link below and I will send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you would like to check it out, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online apps, strategies, business models, surveys, GPT, PTC, you name it. I have checked them out and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? So let's have a look to see if Sweatcoin really pays out. How much does it pay out? And is it really worth your time? That's the biggest question, because if it's not, there are a lot of other ways that you should be focusing on right now, right? Now, Sweatcoin is a pretty cool app. What it is you can download it straight onto your phone. It is pretty much available in most countries around the world, over 150 countries. And the way it works is it uses Google Fit, right? So you just download the Google Fit app onto your phone as well. It works with Google Fit on Android and iOS devices, right? And it will track your walking and your running and even cycling pace, okay? And all it does is it will convert that activity into coins, and then you can take those coins and you can purchase products in their marketplace, right? So that's how it works. So equivalent is basically 1,000 steps is equivalent to 0.95 sweat coins, which you can also get in cryptocurrency on the Sweatcoin crypto itself, which is also pretty cool. So as that value increases over time, you may be able to, get an increase in your investment as well, depending on how well this company does, okay? So again, pretty cool, right? You can see right here, a lot of installs worldwide, featured in a lot of different countries, right? And it is pretty simple. It's a nice looking app, right? But the big question is how much rewards can you really claim? That is the big thing, right? Now you can see here that this particular product is 19.99 sweat coins, okay? Now, just so that you understand how many sweat coins you can make, 1,000 steps is, let's just say, 0.95 sweat coin, but let's just say it's one. We'll just round it up to make it a bit easier, okay? The maximum that you can earn is 5 sweat coins a day. Now, on average, the average person walks between 3,000 and 4,000 steps a day. So if you have your phone on and you have this app on, right, the Sweatcoin app, and it's linked to your Google Fit, and it's just going to track you walking every single day anyway, you'll probably get between 3 to 4 coins a day, right? If you're exercising, it maxes out at 5 coins. So you might be hitting, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 steps a day. If you're a runner or you're a cycler and you go to the gym on a regular basis, whatever it is, you're going to max out at 5 coins per day, right? So in this particular example, you could potentially buy something after 4 days, which is pretty cool, okay? But let's wait to see whether this is the reality or not, okay? So that's kind of how it works. It's very, very simple. Unfortunately, they won't give you the coins in cash, right? So let's just say you've got 20 sweat coins. You can't withdraw that as cash. All you can do with the sweat coins is purchase products inside of their particular marketplace, right? So if their marketplace is doing well and they've partnered up with a lot of people, then that's great. You can buy lots of products. But if they don't, that's where it becomes a problem, okay? So let's have a look to see whether you can really buy things or not, right? So if you come into Google and you look at their reviews, right? They've got a mixture of reviews here. So it's generally a pretty good app. 1.92 million downloads on Google Play, 4.4 as a rating. But let's take a look whether you can really get value for money, right? So this is what Azure says, right? And this is pretty recent. This is in April, and they said there used to be a lot more offers for physical items or discounts for physical items. Now the majority of the rewards are temporary discounts on subscription services. Okay, so it makes it underwhelming to check the shop every now and then to see that there's no variety of new offers. Okay, even if they don't cost many coins. So basically, they're not really giving out that many gift cards, and they're not really allowing you to purchase that many things because It all really comes down to the relationship that Sweatcoin has with retailers. And unfortunately, in this instance, they're not getting that many products, right? So the step counter is nice, but the main reason people use it is for coins. Recently, the marketplace to use these coins has been awful. Most offers are trials of products that you can get for free just by going to the respective website anyway, or the offers are 10 to 50% off products that you've never heard of or even need. Okay, so a lot of water additives like coffee, tea, protein, the store has tanked in quality. Okay, edit 2 years later and the store is even worse, all-time low. Okay, so here you go, right? So this is the pros and cons with the app. The pros is that it's an app that works as you walk. I mean, you can be a runner, you can be a somebody who works out a lot, and you can get even more points if you want. But on average, if you are like a normal person and you walk just daily, you can get probably 3 to 4 coins per day anyway, just by doing nothing, right? Just by switching it on, leaving it in your pocket. The problem is not that you're not getting Sweatcoin points. The problem is, what do you do with those points? Because a lot of it has to do with the relationships that they have with the retailers. And currently, at the time of recording this video, they're not doing a very good job of getting products, which means that you're getting Sweatcoins, but you're not able to purchase that many products, and you can't get it as cash anyway. So is this app really a good use of your time? I don't think so, because based on the feedback right here, I think that they're obviously working on relationships with retailers. They say, unfortunately, we've got limited stock. They're working hard to partner with other companies, but it can be tricky, right? Which means that this is a problem for Sweatcoin, to bring on actual retailers where you can convert your Sweatcoins into actual products and you can't withdraw it as money. So the big question is I think that there are probably other apps where you can use that time a little bit better, even though this doesn't really take that much time. I mean, it's free. That's the thing that you have to understand, right? If you turn on your phone and you leave it in your pocket, it's absolutely free, guys. You don't have to do anything, which is why it's pretty cool. But then you go back to the shop and you can't really buy anything, and it's a little bit of a downer, right? Exactly what some of these users have said. So again, is it a good use of your time? Probably not, but it's free, it's legit, and it works when it works. So that's the thing, right? So again, you can check out Sweatcoin if you want in the Google Play Store. You can just Google it, sweatcoin.com, right? And you can check it out. But I think that, look, if you're going to be focusing on anything online, you want to make money, there are probably better ways to make money through the internet and through different apps if you want to check those out. Okay, so that's my review of Sweatcoin. You can check them out if you want. If you're watching this video though, maybe you are looking for a way to make some additional side income, right? And sure, a couple of bucks a day here and there is good, but you should be making hundreds of dollars a day if you have 2 or 3 hours spare to invest in learning a skill online, especially in this day and age, right? We're living in the gig economy. We live in the internet age. You should be able to generate a way more income. And I have my favorite way still till today, and I've been marketing online for over 14 years, to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, every single month minimum. And it's a very specific strategy. So if you want that strategy, all you need to do is click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email if you want to check it out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review today of Sweatcoin, and I hope to see you on another review. Take care.